So the other day my YouTube channel broke 3,000 subscribers. Thank you everyone that's been watching my content and subscribing. It's greatly appreciated. I didn't expect it to ever get up to a number that large, especially when I first started doing the videos. It was mainly just for recording unique jobs I had at my shop, and then from there I would quickly edit them, upload them. They originally started on essentially a mobile phone, and then I moved to a Xiaomi action camera, and now I'm using a Sony a5100, which is meant to be a fairly popular camera out there in the world. I do find some limitations with it. The recording time, it usually starts overheating at around 20 to 25 minutes on it. So for some of the longer videos I produce, I usually have to turn off the camera for a little bit, turn it back on and resume. It's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. And the long form videos, I do like producing those just purely for the fact that there's plenty of videos out there that have a short 5-minute screen replacement. It quickly cuts in between every single stage, but it misses smaller details that some people may have questions on what they did there, or how did they move that, or how did they disconnect it. So I find long form videos to be useful. In the next week or so I should hopefully be working back down at my shop rather than in a bedroom at my house due to isolation, which hasn't been overly a fun time. I don't think anyone would say it's been a fun time at all. But working back at the workshop, I'd be able to have better lighting, which should mean I can produce better quality videos. So I'm looking forward to that. So it will become a bit more easy to watch, and also you'll be able to read more details during a repair. So for example, if I open up a laptop and just do a quick pass at looking at the actual mainboard, I'm hoping to get it down to the quality where you'll be able to read the model numbers off various chips as I pass over it. So in turn that should help a few more people, especially if they want to order a particular chip prior to repairing a device, they can actually look on here and get it. So that's hopefully the level of quality that I'll be able to get in the future. Until then, I'll keep repairing devices, I'll keep doing reviews, and thank you very much for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!